Hello kids! Welcome to Easy Kids Art. Today, we are drawing a cute Triceratops. Let's start with the eye. Draw two big round eyes. Next, draw the beak under the nose. Now add a happy, smiling mouth. Next, draw the head around the face. Next, draw the horns on the face. Then draw the frill behind the head. Add the small spikes around the frill. Then draw the big body and the long tail. Now, draw the four strong legs. Now, draw the belly under the body. Then add the spots on the body. Finally, draw some grass, rocks, and the ground around the Triceratops. Great job! Now it's time to color. Color the body bright green. Use a lighter green for the face and the belly.